ओमानच्या विमान प्रवाशांकडल्यान 33 लाखाचे भांगर बुधवारा जप्त केला. गोंय कस्टम विभागान बुधवारा ओमान एअरच्या विमानान दाबोळे विमानतळार आयिल्ल्या एका प्रवाशाकडसून भांगराच्यो 5 बिस्किटां जप्त केल्यात. ही बिस्किटां 33 लाख रुपयांची आसून ती स्ट्रॉलर बॅगांत लिपून हाडिल्ली. RDX खातीर दाबोळेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
मिस्टर मोहम्मद जेड्डासून ओमाना गेलो फ्लायटाचेर ओमान एअराचेर आनी थंयसरल्यान ताणें हें गोल्ड हाडलें. तो एक गोल्ड दुसरे भाशेन ताणें लिपयलें. बॅगान पायप हाडली ती दुसरे भाशेन मोठी पायपां आनी तितून पायपान ताणें कन्सील केलें आनी आमचे कस्टम एक्टा प्रमाणे एक हो आयटम अलावड ना आनी कॉन्फिस्केट करपा पडटा. आनी ते ती 1 किलो बिस्कीट आहली ती 4 कुडके गेले तेजे. 4 कुडके गेले आनी आनीक सेपरेट आनीक बिस्कीट घातली 250 ग्रॅम्सांची. सो सगळे म्हण 1240 सुमार जाले ग्रॅम्स. आनी म्हाका दिसता तेजो वालोर आसता तो अप्रॉक्सिमेटली अबाउट 33 किलोज. But that concealment to detect it was intelligence of our officers, because it was done in such a way that a copper casing was put for every biscuit, each weighing almost 250 grams, and the detection was quite difficult when it was concealed in such a manner that inside the suitcase, inside those pipelines, we had to cut those pipe and cut the casing that was there of copper and then only get to the gold.
Today we have registered a case of smuggling of gold. The gold was carried by a passenger who was travelling from Jeddah to Goa by Oman Airways, and he brought it in the form of gold biscuits. It was concealed in a stroller bag, the metal frame. He has modified the metal frame in such a way that it can accommodate the gold biscuits. So he has cleverly, what he has done, he has covered it with the copper foils so that it cannot be detected in the scanning also. So that is how he has done it. But our expert team in the Air Intelligence Unit, they were clever enough. They have overpowered his ingenuity and they detected this case. We could find out, and we broke open the tubes, that stroller which he used for pulling the bag. So it was concealed inside that. And one unique thing in this particular case is usually the biscuits will be of the size of 116 grams.